Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Deep for You. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get updates. This is the second part for question with answer for embedded software developer. So next question is, what is hash include angle bracket and hash include inverted commas? As I have discussed in previous video that this is a preprocessor for including the files. When you use hash include angle bracket preprocessor, then the compiler searches for the file in a pre-designated directories, and most of the time it is used for standard libraries to include the files. And when you use hash include inverted comma preprocessor, then first it searches in the same directory where it is used, and if it's not found in that directory, then it will search the path for finding the file, and most of the time it is used for including the programmer defined header file. So let's have an example. You can see here is a source folder that contains increment module and main.c, and here is a example program. So you can see that hash include and then angle brackets are used for including some standard libraries, and the increment module is included in the folder using inverted commas because it is lying in the same folder. And similarly, you can add the folder path in the settings of your project. So if it's not found in the same folder, then it will search for the included. So next question is, what is a function pointer? For a function pointer, I have a detailed video you can see in the shown link. Here I will discuss only a few main points about the function pointer. So it is a special pointer that points to a function. It doesn't point to any data, rather than it points to a code, and you are not allowed to allocate or deallocate memory using the function pointer. So here is an example that how you can define a function pointer. So this is a return type of function pointer, this is the name, and these are the parameters of the function pointer. Here you can see how you can assign a function to a function pointer, and then you can use in your program. So next question is, what is a void pointer and what is its usage? So void pointer is a generic pointer and it does not depend on the data type, and it can point to any data type. So let's see an example. So here you can see I have a pointer named ptr, and here it is pointing to an integer variable. Similarly, it is pointing to a float variable, so it can point to any data type. And here is the output of the program. So you can see it is showing the exact values which we have assigned to this void pointer. The next question is, what is difference between the following? So int const pointer a and const int pointer a. So the int const pointer a is a pointer to a constant integer, and int pointer const is a constant pointer to integer. So let's see with an example. So here you can see I have a pointer to a constant integer named ptr const, and I tried to assign a value, but it is not allowing me because this is a pointer to a constant integer, so I cannot change its value. But I can assign a new address to this pointer because this is a constant integer but not a constant pointer, so you can change its address. And similarly, I have a constant pointer and change its value because it's a constant pointer, not a constant integer, and but when I try to change its address, so I cannot change it because it doesn't allow, as it's a constant pointer. And here is the output of the program, and it's giving several errors. So this is the right program with the usage of a pointer to a constant integer and integer which is being pointed by a constant pointer. So this is the output of the program. So next question is, what is the size of int, size of pointer in char a, and size of char pointer c? So you can simply use size of function to find the sizes of the each variable, each data type. So here is the output. Next question is, what is a wild pointer? A wild pointer is an uninitialized pointer. So when you don't assign any value to a pointer, so it will be a wild pointer, and it will be pointing to a random memory location, and you can see some unexpected behavior in your program. Here you can see I have a pointer named ptr, and at the start I have not initialized with any value, so it is a wild pointer. But when I have assigned a value, so it is not a wild pointer anymore, and it is pointing to a variable which has a value of 84. So thank you very much for your time. That was all for today. See you in the next tutorial.